Open PPT, take any circuit picture, or you can design your own. I have selected one picture having an electric circuit. Go to insert, select a circle, draw a circle, very small size to represent electrons. First I have placed the object on one corner of the circuit. Now change the color to blue, then select outline, remove no outline, then go to object effects, add bevel, and then glow around the object, some shiny around this object. Bevel gives you ball-like structure, embossing structure, and the glow gives shining around this object. So make a duplicate and place it on the circuit as shown here along the connecting wires of this circuit. So make it almost equidistant. So continue this process. By Control D you will get a duplicate and place that duplicate on appropriate position. So each time I am taking Control D, selecting one object. So now this object is selected. Control D gives you a duplicate, and I am placing that duplicate in appropriate place. So get a duplicate and place it at appropriate place. Now select all the objects by drag drop method. So by selecting all these, two I am exempting, two at the resistances I am exempting from from the selected. And now go to animations, add animation, path animation, selected line. See, line path motion is applied to all these except two. And for these two I would like to add the random motion. So hold that object from starting to ending, free hand drawing. Hold the mouse button and draw free hand. Yes, right, done. See the motion. Now similarly for the another electron at the bottom of this circuit which has to pass through the resistance, zigzag motion. So draw it free hand. See this, I am drawing. So this electron will go along the resistance. Now the each object we have given line motion, so it has got a green dot and a red dot. A red dot is the end point. The default motion is top to bottom. So by drag and drop, by click hold the red button and place it on the connecting wire, circuit wire, so you can change the direction of motion. So for each element separately I am changing its movement path, holding that red dot and placing on it circuit line. Thus, so all elements movement directions are fixed. From the default top to bottom motion we have changed their motion according to our need. Now go to animation, animation pane. Here all the objects are selected at once and set the timing 0.5 seconds. And now select all the objects. You will get a button here right side. Go to animations, right button, arrow button is there. Go to effects, then select timings. So smooth start, smooth end are removed, and in the timings go to repeat and select until next click and then click OK. and the same properties are set to the two objects which are supposed to move along this resistance. Fix the first one as after previous and remaining all objects as with previous. Go to slideshow, enjoy it.